Hey everybody, Kyle here, home of the Buffingtons. Today's project is a chandelier in the formal dining room. My wife has everything in now, and the chandelier right now is about the last thing that we are going to change in this room. Here's a quick look at the room. Of course, we haven't done a final house tour since we moved in. But I'll go ahead and show you the formal and show you the current chandelier that the builders put in. And then, of course, I'll document or video the process of putting in the new chandelier. All right, so here we are. This is the chandelier I'm going to replace. This is the formal dining. Someone just texted me. So this is in the front of the house next to the entry, and another text. So this is the one I'm taking down, like I said, and I will take you along on the journey. All right guys, here is the new chandelier in the formal. Carrie and I really like this one. Gives it more of an antique look than the one that was installed. We stuck some LED lights in it. Really lights up the room. A lot of natural light in here too. So here's what it looks like now. This room is just about done, I believe, except for more pictures of family. So another thing she wanted replaced was these pendant lights. They're just kind of blah. So we're gonna replace these as well with some new pendant lights, and I will show you what those look like. All right, so I started working on the second one. I've already taken it down. It's sitting right here. There's what the new lights look like. I will get a picture with the lights on. Actually, I don't have enough lights right now, so I got to order some from Amazon. Hopefully they'll be here in a couple of days. But this one's already got 2 lights in and the little crystals hanging down. No light. About to hang this one up. Still got to take that one down, and then I'll hang another one. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Let's get to it.
Should move these out of the way. I'm stepping over here.
Do what?
I was trying not to put this on there. You're the oldest, I can step up.
All right, so we're putting on the second one. My assistant, the lovely Carrie Buffington.
You turn the lights back on?
Yeah, these are on a different circuit.
Sure, how will you tell me that now that the lights are off?
What are you doing, Char Char? Last but not least.
Anyways.
On the tippy toes.
you guys push that up in there.
Hold on.
You gotta push the wires up in there.
That's why I'm not sure it's a ladder up here.
No, we're not putting a ladder up there.
Alright, see if you can push
Hang
it.
on.
I'm holding this, you.
I got this. Hang on, it's stuck. Oh, hang on, right now, bring it in.
Yeah, 'cause I can't see anything.
Is that one in there? Hey, can you go and get that one? So we don't struggle.
Alright. Alright, number 2's up.
Oh, it's up, not finished.
Nope, I gotta order more lights, and then we'll put the little crystals in, like in the first one. The third one, I kind of messed it up, so we're gonna have to get another cover, glass cover, or they might send us a whole new set. I don't know. Their customer service said they gotta talk to their distributor or whatever. But I guess that's gonna do it for this part. So I got 2 of the 3 up. Not much more we can do right now.
Can't put the crystals down.
Yeah. So. All right, we also got the pendant lights replaced. You saw what the old ones looked like. So we have all 3 of these in now. Completed. Again, we like bright white. We don't like the yellow, so here's what they look like.